In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on Tradingview zoom in and out. By the end, you'll know the fastest, cleanest ways to move around your charts so you can focus on price action without getting lost. Make sure you have a chart open in Tradingview, and keep your cursor over the area you want to examine. Most zoom actions center around where your mouse is pointing. Let's start with the easiest method, the mouse wheel. Simply scroll up to zoom in and down to zoom out. This is great for quick adjustments while you are analyzing a setup or checking a new indicator. Place your cursor over a swing high, a consolidation zone, or any candle you care about. Then scroll to dive right into that spot. A small scroll gives a gentle zoom, a faster scroll moves quicker. If you are on a trackpad, the two-finger scroll typically works the same way. If you prefer the keyboard, use the shortcuts. Press the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. This is handy when your hand is already on the keyboard placing alerts or switching symbols. The zoom will still center around your cursor, so aim your mouse where you want the action to focus. On some keyboards, you may need to hold Shift to get the plus symbol. Just use whatever key produces the plus and minus on your setup. For precise control of the time or price scale, adjust the axes directly. On the bottom time axis, click and drag left or right to compress or expand the timeline. This changes how many candles you see at once, without altering the vertical scale. On the right-hand price axis, click and drag up or down to stretch or squish the price scale. This is perfect when candles look too tall or too flat and you want to highlight volatility or smooth things out. Release the mouse when the chart looks balanced for your analysis. When you need to zoom into a specific region, use the zoom in tool. Click the magnifying glass on the left toolbar, then click and drag a box around the area you want to magnify. When you release, the chart jumps directly to that selection. It's a fast way to isolate a move, a gap, or a consolidation without fiddling with multiple small zoom steps. If your view gets messy, don't worry. Double-click the price axis to reset the scale. Or click Reset Chart View in the bottom right to return to the default perspective. Practice combining these methods, and you'll navigate any Tradingview chart with speed and confidence.